Right, another video of the oil filter of my BMW N57 engine from that X5 there. So this is now 6,000 miles after the last video and 30,000 miles after the engine rebuild, which was necessary because of the number 5 spun rod bearing. Looking at this time around, I think it's clearly pretty bad. Last time I thought it was borderline, but no, I think one of the bearings must be on the way out. This huge thing in here, I don't know what that is. And there's more stuff here, quite large chunks. Some smaller things there. A lot of smaller things there. This one here clearly looks like bearing material based on the color. There. And there's more stuff here. Some smaller things somewhere there. Small glitter. You can see that. There's a smaller one. Then there's a couple of huge pieces here. This one here. A lot of stuff somewhere here. And another huge chunk here. There's a rather big chunk. And some smaller stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, but at this point I'm pretty sure that I'll have to open that engine up again. I don't think this is normal at all. Well, let's see how long it'll last. I still have to drive it a bit, but probably in the next few thousand miles I'll open the bottom end again and put new bearing shafts in. At least it's a somewhat temporary measure.